On question 7, we are adding the two matrices. And just like with number 6, I think this is easier just to do by hand because you just have to add the two entries. However, I do want to show how to use the calculator. So go to the matrix menu and under Edit, select matrix A and make sure that it's a 2 by 1 and then enter in your numbers. Then go back into the matrix menu and under Edit, select matrix B and then make sure that one is a 2 by 1 and then enter in your numbers. Then go to the home screen and press the matrix button and select matrix A under names. Then press the addition button. Then go back into the matrix menu and select matrix B under names. So we have matrix A plus matrix B, and we get our answer, which is 6 and 9.